Welcome to Ask and Learn.
We're asked to draw free body diagrams for problems 10, 11, 12, and 13. So in problem 10, we have a beam that's cantilevered from this end, has a cable attached to it that's pulling at an angle of 30 degrees from the horizontal, and then also has another load on it. So in this case, what I've done is I've just drawn the external loads in blue, so we have an external load here, and then the reaction forces in red. So at the cantilevered end, we have a vertical, a horizontal force, and also a moment. Again, because it's cantilevered, we will provide a moment to keep this from rotating about that point. Now in problem 11, we have a beam that has a roller support at an incline over on this side, and then we have a pin joint here, and we have a distributed load acting across the beam. Now I just kept the distributed load as it was, but in reality we would because we would make an equivalent point load to solve the problem. And so when we get to that problem, you'll see that I just use an equivalent point load at the center because of the symmetry here. In problem 12, we have another beam with a roller on an incline here and a pin joint here and an external load here. So that's all there is for that problem. And for problem 13, let's see here. Is it 13 that we wanted? No, 14. This is actually 14. See this? It didn't look like 13, but so problem 14, we have a beam that's inclined, and it has a distributed load acting perpendicular to its axes. There's a roller here, roller joint here, so just one reaction component here, and then a pin joint here, so we have two reaction components. And again, in this problem, we would replace, when we solve it, we would replace this distributed load with an equivalent point load that, and again, this case would be at the center of the beam.